Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's finally cooling off outside, so time to make some fall themed cookies. Starting today off with this tone on tone greenery design. You can use any colors you like, but I love the look of the tone on tone. I'm using 20-second icing to both outline and flood this cookie. I have an entire video that talks all about different icing consistencies, and I will link that. It'll show up in the upper right of this video clip if you want to click that and go watch that video. Now I'm using piping consistency icing to trace the stem and the outlines of the leaves just all around on the cookie. Small spaces like these leaves are notorious for getting craters, which is where it looks like the icing is indenting on itself. So in order to minimize that or stop it completely, I'm just filling in those leaves with that piping consistency icing. I let that set for about 10 minutes just to let that filled in area kind of crust over a little bit, and then I'm going back in with my 20-second flood icing to fill in the tops of the leaves. I have several more videos coming out over the next 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, so subscribe if you haven't already, like this video if you liked it, and ring the bell so you know whenever a new video is posted. I love you guys and appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.